Hi everyone! Today I thought I'd share with you my unboxing of the Ultimate Collector's Edition for Final Fantasy 15. I'm actually really excited about this because other than waiting for 10 years, I can't really remember what was in it. I just pre-ordered it because in Australia, at least, there was only 100 of them, so I'm quite lucky to actually have it. On the front, I should have showed you that before, but it's basically all of the main characters. And it's a bit holographic, which is pretty, but not with the light on. And then inside I have another box. All I've done so far is take the sticky dot off the top because I'm chronically bad at opening things and you don't want to see me do that for 5 minutes. Yeah. It's also surprisingly heavy, which is good, I guess. Better than being surprisingly light. So, get rid of that box. You have this black box that has a logo on it. It looks kind of sophisticated. And then, it's like a bit like Pass the Parcel. Open this one. And then, if I can open it. So, another box. But this box is actually quite pretty. There's 2 of them. Alright, let me get them out and then we can explore them. I see. Okay. So firstly, we'll look at this box which has the pretty art on it. I really like it. This is the process. Okay, so when you open it, everything's inside, obviously, but like this. So it includes the art book, which excites me a lot. Almost enough to be able to get it out. It looks very simple. We'll take the wrapping off it and then hopefully it won't be so glary. And also we can see what's inside of it. Okay. And then inside, I'll just show a few random pages. Of course, everyone's favorite. It's actually a pretty big size too. So I'll have a look at that more later. And then Kingsglaive, which I have already seen. I went to the movies to see it. It was $60 because Australia, but that's fine. It has a lot of promotional stuff in it. And DLC, which I'm surprised was actually in here and not in the game. Side. And then the game as well. And lots of random stuff. Let's see if anything exciting. DLC. Ad. Which is for I Am Setsuna, which I probably will buy anyway, so they don't need to give me an ad for that. And lots of random signatures. I suppose they're not really that random, but that's cute. I think I like that. Alright, so other than the game, which is exciting, but we already have a second copy, so no one's left waiting. There is the soundtrack and Brotherhood. So I guess they're both dual. So the other one was Kingsglaive in the game, and this one is Brotherhood and the soundtrack. I don't actually know how many songs are on the soundtrack, but hopefully it is a decent amount and not really stingy, which they tend to be. I think that's everything from this side. So now we can look at the most exciting thing, which is the Noctis figure, which is in its own little box. Yeah. And it has no sticky tape on it because I'm very lucky. Oh, there's little bits everywhere. Okay, I think I have this. So I accidentally dropped poor Noctis down out of this box and onto the keyboard, which ended the video. But anyway, so I opened it and he's here. So I'll just take the top bit of plastic off because it's a little bit glary. So it comes with a lot of parts. It comes with 2 extra sets of hands, which I suppose is handy. That was awful. And then 2 weapons. Now they don't seem to be very secure in there, so I don't really want to hold it up too much. So that's what he looks like, which is the thing I knew about in the collectors and I was very excited for. And that's all for the actual collectors. I also did get the collector's guidebook though, which I have taken the wrapper off just for convenience sake. So this is what it looks like. Nice and plain. And inside, oh, there's a thing. I guess a map, a poster-sized map. I'm holding it upside down, I know. And then, so that's kind of cool. And then I guess the rest is just a generic guide. I don't really use these guides, and they're always outdated really fast, but I only get them for collector's purposes, specifically for JRPGs. And I was told that this one is by Piggyback, which is pretty exciting. So it also comes with this art. I didn't see that before, even though it's right in front of my eyes. Yeah, so that's everything. I did also get the console, but I haven't picked it up yet, so I'll show you that when I do. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the game too after waiting for 10 years for it. Thank you!